This is a very quick video, just showing one minor but rather annoying change moving to Blender 4, which is the clone from paint slot, a location of the different settings. So rather than everything being available in the tool and workspace properties on the right, the destination texture or material, in this case you need to set a specific texture, has to be set in the header, and the source is still only available in the properties tab, which is strange and rather annoying. I still think this is a really useful feature of Blender that allows assets to be created extremely quickly from photos taken on your mobile phone.